Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back Neoparam. Today we are D- Dio intro in Dio intro on the most fundamental topics in physics. Motion in one dimension. If you are a ninth class or 10th class student preparing for CBSE or ICSE and state board exam, that video will give you a clear understanding this of the physics of the basics, and will covering definition, key difference and example step by step with me till the end for quick recap. Let's begin. First, what is motion? Motion is motion is the change of position of an object with respect to time and its a surrounding image. You are sitting in a moving train. To someone outside, you are a motion, but to a friend inside the train, you seen a stationary's motion is relative in the physics. We study motion to understand how objects move and why. Now let's us focus one line dimension motion. One line dimension motion is movement along a straight line thick of a car driving on a straight highway, or a ball rolling down a straight ramp. We ignore side to side or out up down moments. This specifically simply and analyzes in exam. Most problem or motion start here. To understanding motion better, we need scalar and vector quantities. A scalar quantities has only magnitude like mass or time. A scalar quantities has only magnitude like mass or time. It's tell how much but not direction. A vector quantities has both magnitude and direction like force or velocities. We respected vector with arrows, length or magnitude. Arrows had for direction. In one dimension, direction is just left, right, up or down along the line. Let's us difference distance and displacement. Distance is the total path length and traveled by a object. It is the scalar. Suppose you walk 3 meter forward and then a 2 meter back. Your total distance is 5 meter, but displacement is the shortest straight line distance from start to end point with direction. It is a vector. In the some example, your displacement is a 1 meter forward. Reminder, distance is always positive and greater than or equal to displacement. Next, speed to velocities. Speed is distance divided by time. It is scalar speed equal distance beta time. Distance by time. Average speed is total difference distance over total time. For example, if your total 100 km in 2 hours, average speed is 50 km per hour. Uniform speed means constant speed. Velocity is displacement divided by time. It is the vector. Velocity is equal displacement by time. Average velocity is a total displacement over total time. In the yearly walk distance 5 meter is say 20 seconds and give average speed 0.25 meter per second, but displacement is 1 meter. In 20 seconds, give average velocity is 0.05 meter per second. Key exam tips. Velocity is included direction, so it can be negative. Now, uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion is when an object cover equal distance is a equal time. Intervals. Speed or velocities remain constant. A car at recently 6 km per hour one straight road in uniform motion. Graphically, on a distance equal time graph, it is a straight line. One uniform motion is when speed or velocity change. A car speeding up or slowing down is one non-uniform. The graph curve in exams identities from graphs. A straight line means uniform. Acceleration is the rate of change. For velocities formulas, acceleration equal change in velocities by time. It is a vector. Positive acceleration means speed up in the positive direction. Negative acceleration or deceleration means acceleration means constant velocities. Unit m by meter per second. Example: a car started from rest and reached 10 meter per second. 10 meter by second. In the 5 second, acceleration equal 10 minus 0 by 5 equal 10 meter per second. Positive, and it is the break from the 10 meter per second. 0 in the 5 second. Acceleration equal 0 minus 10 and 5 equal minus 2 meter per second. On the velocity time graphic, scope give acceleration positive, scope positive slope, flat line, 0 negative slope, negative loads as connect with real life. Aspiring acceleration from start line, positive acceleration at finish, slow down, negative lift going up to constant speed, 0 acceleration. Distance versus displacement. Marathon runner curve hundreds of kilometer distance but displacement near 0. It break to start from equation in uniform acceleration. We use v barabar u plus at equal ut plus half at square. V half at square v square equal u square plus 2as, where u initial velocities, v final velocities, and acceleration. Show equation on screen with recap. Time, motion, change in position, one dimensional, straight line, scalar, magnitude only, light, what? कुछ मत कहो जा. Distance, speed, vector, magnitude plus direction, like displacement, velocity, uniform motion, constant speed, velocities, acceleration, velocity change rate, and positive speed of negative slow, zero, and constant u. Now here a strong foundation of exam practice, graph and numericals. If this help, like the videos, share with friend and subscribe the channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.